Oh, thank you, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. Okay, y'all. So basically, I just recorded the whole freaking video, and the whole time I was not recording my screen. So we gotta do it again. Okay, bro. So basically, I've been learning competitive programming like this past week. I got back into it. These are a couple of problems I have solved. One of them is this is your horseshoe another hoof problem. Basically, you get four numbers as input. You have to count how many numbers you have to change in order for the four numbers to be different. As you can see here, we get 1733. Only one number is repeating, so we have to change only one number in order to make all four numbers different. This other input, we get four sevens. So basically, we have to change three numbers for all four numbers to be unique. How I solve this, man, is I used a hash map and I just put all the numbers in the hash map, and basically each different number is its own entry in the hash map, and we just do plus plus, and yeah, and then I put 4 here, which is we always get 4 numbers, so then we just subtract the hash map size from that 4, and then we get the answer. For example, in this case where we have three different numbers, the size of the hash map will be 3, so it's going to be 4 minus 3, which gives us a 1. And in this case where we have only one number, only one unique number, the size of the hash map will be 1, and then we have 4 minus 1, which gives us 3. Okay. Other problem I solved today is this one, ultra fast mathematician. Basically, this number is kind of a whole yap session in text, and the gist of it is right here in this paragraph. In this contest, he gave the contestants many different pairs of numbers. Each number is made from digits 0 or 1. The contestant should write a new number corresponding to the given pair of numbers. The rule is simple. The ith digit of the answer is 1 if and only if the ith digit of the two given numbers differ. In the other case, the ith digit of the answer is 0. So what we see here, 0 and 1, that's different, so we get 1. 0 and 1, that's also different, so we get 1. 0 and 1, also different, we get 1. 0 and 0 is the same, 0. 1 and 1 is the same, 0. And basically, my code for this is basically this. I mean, it's nothing too complicated, like 10 lines of code. Basically, if the t- if the characters in the two strings are different, we append the 1, else we append the 0. And that's basically it. I also tried this problem and I also got kind of intimidated by it because I saw this like picture and I'm like, well, what is this grid? It's probably gonna be difficult, but it's not difficult. It's only a 900 rated problem, but I wasn't really able to solve it yet because something in my logic here is not correct. I did understand what I have to do and I'll just spend a little more time on it and try to solve it. Also, I did submit a couple of these problems with Python, reversing array, candies, way too long words, but these are even easier than these, I think. So I don't think there's a reason to go over them. And also, I've been using this book, the Competitive Programmer's Handbook, to kind of learn some stuff. Also, one guy who is a very good competitive programmer told me that right now at the level which I'm at, which is 810 rated in code forces, I don't really need to be learning data structures and algorithms, and I should just focus on solving ad hoc problems, like implementation problems. I think ad hoc means the same as implementation. Does ad hoc mean the same as implementation in competitive programming? Let's see. I don't. They're related ideas, but what I was trying to say is I've been solving basically only implementation problems because I don't really know like how to use that many like data structures and algorithms right now. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that was pretty much it. If you have any tips for me, any study tips, if you're good at competitive programming, please leave those tips down in the comments below because I need all the help I can get. I'm still a complete beginner. So yeah. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.